How are you, everyone? So, finally, we are going back to freecodecamp learning JavaScript. Actually, I don't know, man. I don't feel like learning right now, but I have to be consistent. I think we're going to, I mean, I think I'm going to learn for about 20 minutes or maybe lower than that, but let's see how long my attention span can handle JavaScript. Okay, so we're going to continue. This is the project that available in freecodecamp. I built role-playing games. So yeah, right now we're going to learn how to use button. For your controllers element, create 3 button elements. First should have the ID set to button 1. Okay, so we're going to write in. No, we're going to use VS Code because there is no automatic, like automatic shit. I don't know. Automatic what? I don't know, man. I don't care. Okay, so create the button elements. The first should have ID, and the text go to store button. The text go to store. Go to store. With ID. Oops. It's the same, right? I don't think so. And button 2, go to cave, fight the dragon. Okay. 2, 3. Fight the dragon. Okay, so let's see. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Can I? Okay. Okay. Cool. Next. Oh yeah. Music. I prefer to just listen to binaural beats. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I don't know what exactly is that. So binaural beats focus. I don't know if it just like placebo effect or something, because I feel relaxed when I listen to this. Too loud. 144. Yep. Okay, let's continue. Oh shit. Fight the I thought fight the dragon. Okay. Fight dragon. Next. Okay, we're in JavaScript right now. So this is HTML and this is JavaScript. Alright then. Oh shit. Okay. JavaScript interacts with the HTML using the document object model, or DOM. DOM is a DOM is a tree of objects that represents the HTML. You can access the HTML using the document object, which represents our entire HTML document. One method for finding specific element in your HTML is using the query selector method. The query selector method takes a CSS selector as an argument. I don't understand this shit, and returns first element and matches it. What the hell is this? For example, to find h1 element in your HTML, you would write let h1 document query selector. Oh, so we have to do this? I mean, we have to write this to find it. Okay. Note that h1 is a string. Really? And matches the CSS selector you would use. I don't understand this. Create a button, one variable, and use query selector to assign it your element with the ID. Oh, but remember that CSS ID selector are prefixed with What? Interacts with HTML using document object model, so we should use this one. Our method for finding specific. You can access the HTML using the document object, which represents the entire HTML document. This is the method query selector method. The query selector method takes a CSS selector as an argument and returns the first element that matches the selector. For example, to find the h1 element in your HTML, you would write okay. Create a button one variable. Okay, button one variable. You got it. So basically, button one variable is like where is it? So this one. How to start? Button one variable. Okay, so button one variable. Then we're going to use this document query selector. I prefer to write manually because it improved my typing skill. Queries selector, and button one. Yes sir. Yes sir. So we should put quotation what's that? Quotation mark and also this CSS ID. Alright. Query selector. Is this algorithms and Java structure data structure? I don't know. Oh, I don't know if this that kind of course, you know, because I don't think this is like algorithms and data structures. But let's see what's gonna happen. We have run into a slide problem. You're trying to query. I don't know what that is actually.
Query.
Oh, I thought it was query. It's a query.
Query.
You got it. What's this? We have run into a slide problem. What does it mean? Slide problem? It means that we got a problem, I think. Well, what's the problem? You're trying to query. Okay, query. It's not query. Query. you're trying to query your page for button element, but your script tag is in the head of your HTML. Yes? So what's the problem? Your script tag, which one is script tag? Script tag is in, I think this one is in the head of your HTML. This means your code runs before the browser has finished. This means your code runs before the browser has finished reading the HTML. Really? And your document query selector will not see the button because the browser hasn't processed it yet. Okay. What's the problem again? This means your code runs. Oh, so my code in JavaScript runs before the browser has finished reading the HTML, and your document query selector will not see the button because the browser hasn't processed it yet.
Processed it yet.
Okay. To fix this, move your script element out of the head element. Oh, I see. You got it. Okay. And place it at the end of your body. Oh, at the end of the body element, just before the closing body tag. You got it. Oh, that's why my previous code, I've seen tutorials that also put the JavaScript. Where is it? Oh, this one. Yeah. Outside of anything. So that's why. Okay, you got it. It says that if you put inside of the head, this means your code runs before browser has finished. So if you put the JavaScript tag script tag, if you move the script tag out of your body element or head element, so the HTML can load the document first and then the code will run. I guess your code runs before the browser. Okay. Button1 is a variable that is not going to be reassigned. What does it mean?
Reassigned.
Button1 is a variable that is not going to be reassigned. I don't understand this. If you are not going to assign a new value to a variable, it is best practice to use the const. What? Button1 is a variable that is not going to be reassigned. Okay, if you are not going to assign a new value to a variable, it is best practice to use the const keyword to declare it instead of let keyword. So we'll tell JavaScript to throw an error if you accidentally, how to pronounce it?
Accidentally,
yeah, reassigned it. Change your button1 variable to be declared with. Why should I use const instead of? I don't understand. Why should I use const instead of let? Button1 is a variable that is not going to be reassigned. What do you mean by reassign and assign? Well, is it assign it? What, like Let me let me ask to Copilot. Copilot, please, well, please, explain me about this. I'm beginner and I don't understand any of this. I probably sound stupid, you know. I don't know why sometimes I feel like this. I can like I sometimes I feel like it's hard to process the information, you know. Like I don't know, especially at night. Cannot be understood directly console letter to they're both block scoped, which means they only exist with. What is this, bro? What the fuck is fucking block? Which means they only exist within the block there. What the fuck is this? The main difference between them is that const variable it cannot be resigned or redeclared, while let variables can. This means that once you assign a value to a const variable, you cannot change it later. For example, the bottom one is for go to the store. This is for like inventory and shit. Well, so it could resign. This do you mean? Oh, this is what you mean by resign. It could change, you know, 50 to something like 100 or something. Going to be resigned. It's not going to be resigned. Shit. Resign or redeclare. Well, this means that once you assign a value to a const variable, you cannot change it later. For example, const button 1 red declare and assign a value to button 1. Declare and assign a value. This is the value, right? Right. Button 1. Button 1 blue. Error cannot resign the const variable. Const button 1 green. What? Well, what is the difference? Error cannot redeclare a const variable. Error cannot resign a const variable. Okay. Const button 1 red. Declare and assign a value to button 1. So button 1 is red. Button 1 blue. Oh, okay, I think I kind of get it. Blue error cannot resign a const variable. Okay. So if I write like monster health equals this, and then I assign a value, so it will works or not. Const button 1 green error cannot redeclare a const variable. I see, so it cannot be redeclared and resigned. On the other hand, let variables can be resigned or redeclared within the same block. For example, let button 2 red declare and assign value to button 2 red. Then button 2 blue, okay, reassign a let variable. Let button 2 green, okay, redeclare within the same block. What do you mean by the block? This is the block. I don't know, man. Like, okay, we're going to change let to cons. I think I got it. So the problem is not like we use let because it will change. It will change. We used let or cons. It's because if you want to reassign like this, it couldn't be possible. Change bar, yeah. Okay, so I think it's already 20 minutes. We're going to stream again tomorrow. Um, I got a project from Fiverr, so I think we're going to see what's the project is going to be like. I don't know. I'm very bad to communicate something right now, so I hope you understand. I don't care. Limitless focus, son of a bitch. So I'll see you tomorrow.